Hi everyone, I'm Mindy Carney and this is your digital learning team tip. I'm going to show you 3 very quick tips on how to customize your Chrome experience. So the first thing I'm going to do is navigate to the settings in my Chrome window, and that is over here in these 3 dots in the right-hand corner of my Chrome window. And then I navigate down here to settings. And here I can choose a theme color by clicking on any of these ideas, or I can choose a customized color from a palette. Then I'm going to navigate over here to appearance. One thing that I have done as I've gotten older is change the font size. So it is normally medium as the recommended size. However, I have changed it to large so that I can stop squinting at my computer screen. The last thing that I'll show you how to do is click here on your search engine. If you'd like to choose a different option, there are a few other tools that you can choose from here, and it will automatically default to this tool when using a search engine. These have been a couple quick tips on how to customize your Chrome experience.